Previously.
We are going on holiday somewhere special for Hilltop.
Nous partons dans un endroit spécial pour Hilltop.
Beau?
August. En août.
We're here in Scotland crafting the Hilltop Private Cask. This exclusive single malt Scotch is just for Hilltop guests. Join us behind the scenes.
Nous sommes en Écosse pour créer le Hilltop Private Cask. Ce single malt exclusif est réservé aux invités Hilltop. Découvrez nos coulisses.
We bought our first cask in 2020. So apparently our name is going to be on here somewhere. So for 2020. Oh, we're right at the beginning. This is from our original 2020 cask. but the abbey is here from like the 12th century. And Lindores Abbey is the first recorded request from the King of England for one of his guys to come up to Lindores Abbey and to get a barrel of Scotch whisky. So Lindores say they are the spiritual home of Scotch whisky because that's the first recorded instance of somebody mentioning Scotch whisky and having one of the friars go and get it from Lindores Abbey. So this is something that we're absolutely astounded and very happy to be able to do. Is we actually have the Hilltop Reserve, private cask. We have a cask that we originally bought back in 2020, and the cask which in this video you've seen or you will see that we're filling today. We're now August 2026, and so the idea is that we have a very, very special whiskey from the spiritual home of Scotch whisky, from a private cask, which is going to be available exclusively to people who come and stay at Hilltop. So very excited, and we're just going to do a little tour of the grounds in the area to show you what's around here. Welcome to Scotland. Thank you, Scotland. Merci, l'Écosse.
Hope that you enjoyed this adventure as much as we did. Nous espérons que vous avez apprécié cette aventure autant que nous.